Hello everybody, this is going to be a quick part replacement video. So this is the replacement part I made, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take your outer piece and stick it on there, and then to get it in you want to put your fingers on top of these and just press it in so it goes in snug. And then you'll put the two screws in. Well, actually, before you do that, you're gonna have to put in this. Let's see. You're gonna put that on. Make sure it's all the way down. Then you're gonna put this pin in, because you're not gonna be able to put that pin in afterwards. So you wanna put this in first. Yeah, it has to be all the way down. Okay. You can use something to press it in, like something hard, because it's gonna hurt your finger if you try to press it in, but there you go. So that's in and rotating. Then you're gonna put this on like this and then press it down. I mean, second time you don't have to press it as hard because I already kind of made it fit there. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws in to show you. I was about to say I misplaced the screw. So I don't have the right screwdriver on here right now, but it still works. Cat hair. Just tighten that down and do the other side also, and this should just go. You want to see there's like little hooks right there, so you want to put those hooks in first and press it down, and then this will just close up. And there you go. You have yourself a nice working hinge. I'll drop a link in the description to the parts if you need some. Thank you for watching.